Hi everyone! So I have a product to share with you guys, and this comes from Vipcrossstitch.com, and I do have a coupon code with them. It is VAGA05, and I'll leave a link down to their website, to this product, and to the coupon code in the description box. So what they sent was this bag right here, which is like a little storage organization bag, which I think is super nice. It is really nice quality, which I'm really happy about. Here's the handles, and it does have 2 pockets here, which is super cute. Honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I'm getting kind of like a pig vibe. Like, I want to put little eyes right here and then put like the little snout. How cute would that be? I think I'm going to alter this. I'm going to see if I can bust out my Cricut and go ahead and do that. So let me show you here. Here is the front pocket. So you have straps right here. You have little compartments down here. And then on the other side, you have a mesh pocket. And then you have a zipper pocket here as well. So I think it's in November that there is a scrapbook expo, and I think this would be a really nice bag to go ahead and take some flies to the show in. I've never been before, I've never done it, but I definitely want to give it a go. So I think that this is going to be the storage bag that I take with me on that trip. Here is the inside. So on this one, there's a pocket here, which actually comes down over here. So you can go ahead and tuck your items in here, and then it's nice and secure because it has that top flap right there. And then on the other side, it has 2 zippers right here. So there's one here that has the mesh pocket. And then there's another zipper here. And then here is that same little mesh pocket. And then there's this Velcro that you can open. And there's another pocket here. So it has quite a bit of pockets. And then when you look at the side of it, this is going to open up pretty wide. Like, you have a lot of storage space to go ahead and put your items in. So this is the main pocket right here. Let's just see. Let me just take a few items right here and let's add it on in. So here's that first one. I'm going to clip it in right here. So I got my little pen there, and then here's one of my canvases that I'm going to work on. So I'm going to slide that in to this pocket here. I have some little baggies here. I can even just kind of hang out, like, look at how wide this opens. That is pretty wide. So, what is that, like the width of my 4 fingers is how wide the main pocket opens. So I'm going to put those baggies there. I have my little sticker sheets here. So I'm going to tuck that in back here with my canvas. Then I have my little binder, which I'll tuck in right there with my canvas. And that closes down. I have my bookmarker. I'm going to put that in the front. See if that fits in the front. Oh, I have my little book here. Let's tuck my book over here. So we're going to open this pocket here. Tuck my book in there. So that is all nice and tucked away over there. And then I'm going to take my embroidery tool. We'll slide that in there. And then have another little canvas here. Which actually I think my little canvas would even fit in this pocket. Yeah, it does fit in there. So my little canvas fits in there. Wow. I'm like, you can't even tell that I've even put anything in there. It still looks flat. Let's see. I don't know. We could still add a whole lot of other items. I got my little guy here. He fits in there. I still have a lot of room to go ahead. I can add my scissors over here if I wanted to. So So I have my little scissors and they're in place right there. I have, let's see, my little rotary tool that we could go ahead and slide on in here. Let's see. Oh, I'll put my pokey tool right here. Can add my little pokey here. Maybe a pen's better. Let's see. Here we go. Oh yeah, that works better. So there's my little pen there. Can add another little pen there. Yeah, I'm like, you can still add more stuff. I'm like running out of things I can add. And then this whole pocket is still open. So I really like this bag. I like that it's in gray. I like that it is a neutral color. Because you guys know I'm definitely more into the darker colors than the bright girly colors. So this is going to be a really nice bag. Like I said, I want to take this with me to a craft expo. So I think this is going to be the bag that I pack my craft supplies in while I travel. Because yeah, look, there's a whole lot in here that fits. So alright, you guys, that's it for today. Here's our little bag review. I think this is going to definitely be a cute bag to travel with. This is definitely a win for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.